Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to buy XRP Ripple on Phantom Wallet. Let's begin. So you're going to open up the Phantom Wallet app, and then in the middle of the screen, you're going to see different options. We have receive, send, swap, and then buy. You're going to go to the left side, then select the receive option. Now, after selecting the receive option, you're going to look for Ethereum. So it's right there, the second option, and then you are going to copy the code. Then afterwards, we are going to open up the Binance app. So once you go to Binance, you are going to notice one of the markets include XRP. So you can also select it there. And then you can also purchase the XRP by going to the bottom, then selecting buy. Now the other way to do so is to go to wallets. And then here you're going to notice something which says XRP, but right now I do not have it because my account is currently not verified. But once your account is verified, and you're going to notice that XRP is going to be added to the wallet section. On this app, all you need to do is you need to enter the link that we copied from our Phantom wallet, and it's going to be automatically sent to the Phantom wallet once the purchase is complete. And there you go. I hope this video was helpful for you, and I'll see you in the next one.